Hello students, welcome back to English Grammar class. So in the last video we studied articles. So in articles we studied a and the, where we should use and where we should not use any articles. Today we are going to do the exercises. So all of you get ready with your textbook. On page number 48 you are given this exercise. Here you have to add an articles, appropriate articles. So here let us read this. Dear diary, in my waterproof tent I lie nice and dry, eating dash apple, dash egg and dash nutty pie. So here we know that A and E both are vowel sound, so we will use N, right? Then nutty pie, in that it is a consonant, so we will use a. Am I missing mom? Am I missing home? I am not sure. All I know is I am enjoying my tour. Pit a pet, dash raindrop falls. Here again, raindrop is a consonant sound, so we will use a. Is that a hyena laughing or an owl hooting? Here owl is starting with O, so we have used N. Down below, is that a mole hunkering glad I am in a waterproof tent with some dinner and the attitude of a winner. So this is your first exercise. Now exercise B. Here in exercise B, you have to take the correct article to complete the paragraph. So you are given three articles and you have to take the correct one. So this one already I have done. Let us read it out. Ananya lived in a village in Madhya Pradesh. The village was called Ukwa. Here see, previously we used a village because particular village we were talking about. Then we used the village, means which village, which we have discussed in the first line. The same village we are talking about. More information we are getting about it. So we have used the. The village was next to a stream. Lots of animals came to drink water there. Sometimes at night, tigers from a jungle, or you can write the jungle, nearby also came to drink the water. The village had an old man who was the head. He lived with his three children. Ananya was the old man's daughter. Here see, first we used an old man, now we used the old man because now we know that which old man we are talking about. Previously we have discussed about him. So then we will use the. She was a teacher in the local school. She was an excellent teacher and a kind person. All the students loved her. Okay, so this way we are going to use the articles. Now, exercise number C. Here you have to tick the correct one in which the sentences have used proper articles. So first one is the Hawaiian islands have beautiful coral reefs. Here we will use the because in the rules of the wherever there are islands we should use the with it. So first one is correct. Second one, there are a chain of volcanic islands situated in the North Pacific Ocean. Here again, before the name of any oceans, we are using the. So second one is correct. Third one, the islands are 4,125 kilometers away from the mainland of the United States. Again here, whenever state word is coming, we will use the before it. So first one is correct. Now exercise number D. Here you have to rewrite the sentences that are incorrect and you have to insert the wherever it is required. See, you have to keep your textbook with you. Here only answers are written so you can see and compare. Agriculture is an important source of livelihood there. This is so because the soil there is very fertile due to good rainfall. Here the soil is written because in agriculture whichever soil is there we are talking about that particular, so we have used the. Second one, due to cool trade winds the climate of Hawaii is mild throughout the year. Third one, snow sometimes covers the highest points on the island of Hawaii and Maui. So here also before island we are using the. On the island of Oahu, dairy farms and the egg farms are a major source of income. Okay, so these are the answers. Now exercise number E. Here you have to write 5 to 7 lines on the things you see in your classroom. So one is already done, that there's a notice on the display board. There is a dustbin too in our classroom. There is a table for teacher. Teacher keeps books on the table. Here why we have written on the, because here a table, that same table teacher is keeping, so we have talked about that previously, so we are using the. There is a huge window for circulation of air. After an hour of study, we drink water to stay hydrated. So here before R we have used N. Why? Because here H is silent. Okay. Now exercise number F. Fill in the blank with a and the, or you have to put cross mark to show no articles. So the coral reefs around the islands of Hawaii are important to its people. Ancient Hawaiians used to offer corals. Here no article will come. During the religious ceremonies, the Hawaii Islands were born of volcanic fires. There was no life on the islands then. The islands are over 2000 kilometers away from mainland. The plants and animals we see today in Hawaii actually traveled long distance to reach Hawaii over many years. These animals and plants that survived became very different. They are now uniquely Hawaiian. Okay, so these were the exercises. Now you practice all this exercise and write it down in your textbook. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.